Vegas.
And I'm Dave Malkoff. Let's take a look at the turkey in here. Looks good, doesn't it? But not everyone has the luxury of cooking their own turkey or having mom or dad in to cook it for them. We'll show you some cheap eats around town, a way to get a Thanksgiving dinner for a little bit of money. But here's a man who's never cheap, Nathan Tannenbaum, with your forecast.
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Malkoff. Do I get something free for that one? Hey, you know, about this time yesterday, we're talking about how...
Yeah, absolutely.
Already.
Been
Thanks
there.
a lot. Well, you may not be heading out to get McDonald's today, but you'd be surprised how many people are eating out for Thanksgiving.
And here in Las Vegas, it's all about finding the cheap place to eat, even today. 13 Inside Las Vegas reporter Dave Malkoff is at a home in northwest Las Vegas right now where what, mom is cooking turkey? What's this all about, Dave?
Oh, yeah, this is actually Christine Mastronato's mom, our producer, and you came in from Florida, right?
Right.
Right.
Came in to fix dinner for her daughter.
Oh, that
Spend
is
the time
so
with her.
sweet. Well, let's take a look at the turkey. What do you do to make this turkey special?
Oh, well, I enjoy putting them in the bag because then you don't have to baste or anything.
Oh, yeah.
What would an Italian family be without garlic in there too, you know?
The bag is the secret. But you don't really have to cook these meals at home, right?
Oh no, there's a lot of cheap places around town. Why don't you tell us where they are?
Can I get some turkey, please?
Well, you sit at home, the buffet lines are packed with people looking for a cheaper Thanksgiving alternative. Most buffets serve up the turkey on and off the strip for anywhere from $10 to $20. Downtown, Fitzgerald's is making Thanksgiving dinner for $9.95. Cheaper and easier than home.
Yeah, I didn't have time to cook or anything, so I come to my favorite place here.
Dolores' favorite place is the Bougainvillea Cafe inside Terrible's Casino. Thanksgiving dinner here is less than $8. Look at how they cook the turkey. Can't do that at home.
With the rotisserie and the flavor we have and the seasoning with the rotisserie, it cooks real slow. And at the same time with the turkey turning all the time, you get, cooks all the way around and it tastes real good.
And these cheap dinners come with all the sides. Don't laugh. Today, they're cooking up some cream of pumpkin soup.
People come especially just for the pumpkin soup. It's so good.
Do they have the turkey special?
The Holiday Inn on East Flamingo has a sign right out front. Thanksgiving dinner with everything included.
Stuffing, homemade, potatoes, pumpkin pie for $9.95.
Just ask the chefs around town. They'll tell you eating out is better than going through all that trouble at home.
They got to cook it, then have to serve it. They got to wash the dishes, this and that. It's much easier just to come out here.
We do all the work. They sit down and we take care of them.
And look at this. These are soon-to-be mashed potatoes. This is a home-cooked meal. But Mom, what do they leave out when you go to a restaurant? The love.
The love and the smell.
Yeah,
You love the smell of turkey cooking.
Yeah, we hope you have a great Thanksgiving dinner. I'm Dave Malkoff, 13 Inside Las Vegas.
Dave, how late are these places going to be serving a turkey out?
Oh, well, it's different places. Actually, that Bougainvillea Cafe, that's open 24 hours. A lot of the buffets are open till 9, 10, and 11. You got to check with the specific buffet. And the one over at Holiday Inn, well, that closes at 7, though.
And Mom is going to serve till the love runs out.
Oh,
right?
absolutely. You're
All
gonna
right.
serve?
Thanks a lot.
I can smell it.